Racket din ako dito. So before the start of this video, I just want to share I'm really so proud of my best friend kasi kinuha siyang endorser ng Beauty Milk. And of course, iinom tayo ng Beauty Milk. Ang iinom ko is Ichigo kasi sa lahat talaga, ito talaga yung favorite ko. And ito talaga yung nakapagpag-glow sa akin. Like, ang una ko talagang trinay is banana, but oh my god. This became my favorite talaga. So, this is your reminder to drink Beauty Milk. By the way, I'm just reading a book and I'm filming a new vlog. Puro mga Bea dailies ako ngayon. Because wala pa akong time to, you know, do a big prod na vlog. Kaya, it's just me and sana hindi kayo magsawa sa akin, guys. Hi mga kapatid! So today is May 4th. It's a new day. And it's Blythe's launching and syempre kasama ko si Danica and Blythe later. Kaya maayos ako and may mga racket din ako later na isushoot na brand. So kailangan maayos tayo. So tara, let's go! Let's go! Let's laban.
Let's go.
Laban. Mag-fit na ako ng outfit ko. Running a little late. But it's fine because di pa din early.
Yellow.
Na kulay yellow. Yes po, kulay yellow. Baka meron sa Watsons.
Oh, sige.
Sige. Bakla ka ng tao.
Saan meron?
Alam na nila yun. Tayo ka na, bilis. TikTok ka na, bilis. Sarado ko natin.
Ano bang ka-iconic lang si Irene Chu? So mga kapati, we are now on the way to the event! G, say hi, magpakita ka. Hey, he's my bestie and my creative assistant. Wow! You know, as a certified full-time influencer / content creator. So ayan, just getting ready, we're near na and dami kong kailangan i-segue na brands. Day na to. Like, I was shooting for Skintificate, so funny nga eh. So ayun, I hope you guys can support me! Okay, sit. Getting ready. Kuya Alex, say hi to my vlog, please.
Hi.
Yay. May magsi-sleep over sa akin, guys. Nauna pa si Blythe. This heart. Ate ka!
So pretty naman. Nakakainis.
Ano ba? Did I follow the assignment? Yes. Beauty Milk Melon. Danica is there. Hi, Ate Erica.
Hello! Oh my gosh, I love it.
Yes. Sorry, sinabi ko wag, pero I don't know what happened. Sobrang last minute. Super last minute. Hi, vlog! It's me again.
Hello! So nice.
Gorgeous.
Hello! Erica naman messaging you. Hello!
Hi, I miss you.
Thank you for coming.
Of course.
Ay, sorry.
Look! You're so beautiful! I can't with you.
Baka maiyak yung makeup. Baka maiyak yung makeup.
Congrats! I love you. So beautiful. I wish
Kung kayo i-kiss kayo na napalit.
okay, later.
Ganda mo! Ganda mo!
Kapag si Blythe nagsasabing maganda ako, totoo. Kasi siya din ang nagsasabi kung pangit ako. So, it's true talaga. I love you so much, sissy. Good luck.
Ganda mo!
Saan yung event? Dito ba? Akala ko yun kaya when I went and I was like, saan yun? Sa kabila. Congratulations.
Ganda mo! Ang ganda niya sa
Straight hair. Magkasama kami, guys.
guys. No, she's busy.
Wow!
Yung sabihin sa akin, magtabang.
Beautiful besties.
Kinakabahan ako kasi siya kaya she loves me.
Hindi ko pa naman kasi yung favorite kay Iwan. Wala, nakakaligit. Baka pwede matulog na lang din ako.
Oh, totoo ba? Totoo ba? Mas malapit yun sa church. Guys, narinig yun na. She's gonna sleep over.
Sa office.
Sleep
Tulog
over.
ako. Ito daw. Okay.
Totoo yan.
Yawan kasi tayo. Kasha.
Okay.
Basta si May
Good luck na.
Oo, ikaw sa gitna.
Bye-bye.
Sisi, good luck. I love you so much.
They want to drink the skincare. So that's why we came up with Beauty Milk. And actually, ito yung kwento, kwento ni Andrea later, but napapahaging ako. But si Blythe kasi before, she's friends with Bea, and they said na, no, Andrea is drinking Beauty Milk. And I was surprised, no, bakit siya uminom ng Beauty Milk? So, that made...
Ako na lang sumako. Pero in the end, it turned me into a bigger and better person.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big, warm round of applause? Welcome to a new era of beauty with Dear Face and Andrea Brillantes. Once again, the new era of collagen is officially here. Dear Faces, newest ambassador, Andrea Brillantes. Come on, everybody, how about a big round of applause? Come on. Oh my gosh. Hi. Joined by, of course, Dear Face's newest ambassador. Everybody say hello. Give a wave as well, Andrea Brillantes.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. Thank you all so much for being here with us.
Mamaya, meron o wala, Andrea Brillantes, but of course, the very beautiful Miss Jonah, CEO of Dear Face. Again, a big round of applause, everybody. Come on.
Feeling ko may magpapainom mamaya. Feeling ko we're gonna celebrate later.
Of Dear Face. Of course, starting with our dear CEO. Our last award goes to the fantastic award. You know, this person is the sweetest guest we made. We have, of course, all of the ladies as well. Our fantastic awardee, CJ Toledo.
Ay, guys, na vlog ko. Baka may assignment pa.
Nag-message siya, ano ba pagawa?
Sabi ko, once again, sabi niya kasi ako,
our dear Face awardee, Miss Bianca Ferro, and of course our fantastic awardee, CJ Toledo, join us here in front. Let's all give you the recognition that you guys deserve. I know you guys prepared also very generous.
Kasi matutulog si Danica mamaya. Dito taga-alam mo ako. Ay, may event ka bukas?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Gusto niyo ba mag-beaches? Like ngayon kain kasi. Oo! Ano nga? Kasi mamaya pa, ako yun na ba? Ano na?
Nice, nice.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah. Hello! Close your eyes!
Alam namin ano yan, Chanel yan.
Ay! I feel like it's Sanrio.
Feeling ko din.
Oh!
Ako feeling ko. Siguro Kuromi sa akin o ano.
Ako Cinnamoroll.
Ay, tama ako!
Okay, let's open it. Let's open it. Oh! Pagkain siya! Kaya pala, gusto mong ibigay na namin kasi mabubulok na siya. Hindi, matagal pa naman.
I-ref ko siya.
Ah, we can pass here, oh.
Mukha tayong gagawa ng content.
Alam mo, hindi ko pa na-chika kay ano eh. Napaka-feeling important namin dito sa BGC. Naka-high heels kami, naka-dress kami, tapos may nagbe-video sa amin. Napaka-ano naman itong vlog mo, Kuya Boris. Ako nahihiya talaga nga. Nahihiya na ako. Kasi sabi ko naman magbibihis, kaya wala pala silang pambihis. Ala, nadidistract na siya. Dani ka. Uy, hindi mo kailangan yan. Hindi, maganda siya. Girl, Ate Isabel, hindi niya na kailangan yan, di ba? Hindi na kailangan yan.
Nagtitipid tayo.
Eh, deserve mo naman
Kita
to.
sa
Kasi,
video.
huwag na. Mas mura yan sa ano. Pero ang ganda ng baunan. Gusto ko kasi nagkakain sisi. Oo nga, di ako kumakain. Tama ba? Edit. Grabe ka na, baby. May 3, 4, 5 lahat ng phone ko. So, ikaw malilito na yan. Hindi. Oo. Ay, you're not nag-sign eh. Pasabi ko pabalik ka. Oo, kayo rin nag-sign. Kaya nga nag-aaral. Hindi, let's just ano lang, KKB na lang. Si Dani ka. Joke lang. Ano ko lang yung bayad. Ikaw makayag niya eh. Ibig ka talaga sa transfer, right? Bakit? When I asked you, bakit asa labas na ngayon? Sabi mo, hatid sundo kasi ako. O, diba? Oo. Then I was like, grabe. Pero hindi lang kasi level talaga pagkapag-career. Pero hindi lang. Wait lang, let's eat it now.
Sabi, hindi magdi-dessert
Ate Isabella. Hi,